This is Jay with Owen Welding Service, and this is my video on Project Rolling Smoke, 250-gallon offset smoker that I built for a man out of Tyler. Rolling Smoke started out as a half-cocked scheme to make money so I can pay my property taxes, and it really turned into a passion project and a beautiful smoker in the end for a customer who's really going to appreciate it. Alright, back here, finally back on the smoker build, and we now got a way to roll her on around. Just some angle iron and some casters. And we got a set of tank rollers. Alright, let's see how bad we can fuck this up. Building rolling smoke was a no-brainer because I already had the tank at the house. The trick is finding the proper buyer who's going to finance building a custom smoker. But I put it out there. For $3,600, I'd build this smoker, and a man on TikTok hit me up, and he said that was right up his alley. So I immediately got started, and I think what we came up with was a beautiful piece. I gotta say, I am far too happy with how these slides turned out. Sketched them up on Fusion and cut them out on my plasma, bent them in my homemade bender, and they came out great. Confession, stick welder by trade, so anytime I can show you just gratuitous stick welding, this is what you're getting. Having a CNC plasma will make you feel that hand fabrication is silly and unnecessary. You might say my door is overbuilt. I might say your door is underwhelming. Seriously, there was no need to work this handle as much as I did, and looking back on it now, it's disturbing. Oh, look at that action. So smooth, so nice. Watch out, 6 shot coming. Yeah, I like that. You see, it's just cheating. Look at it. So easy. And back to welding. Come on, not bad for a bunch of scrap and some plate, huh? Not bad at all. And here she is, all blacked out and sexy, ready to load up and head to her new home. I walked out of this with $2,400 minus my property tax of $1,700, giving me a whopping $700 in profit. But bills got paid, man got a great smoker, and I'm happy with the whole experience. Thank you for watching Project Rolling Smoke. If you like our content, let us know and subscribe so you can keep up with what we got going on in the shop.